So let's talk about how estrogen is slowly causing breast cancer. 3 things I want for you to remember about the estrogen hormone. Number 1, estrogen is also known as a carcinogenic hormone. That means it is cancer causing. Because when you look at a woman who has breast cancer, for example, she actually has breast cancer cells and a specific type of breast cancer known as estrogen receptor-positive breast cancer. And on these breast cancer cells are receptors known as estrogen receptors. And when these receptors actually meet up with estrogen hormone, they're actually going to cause even more cancerous cells. Estrogen also has another very crucial quality that leads to breast cancer, and that is the fact that estrogen is known as a mitogen. And that simply means that it encourages the division of cells, meaning if you had one cancer cell, it can divide it into 2, divide it into 4, divide it into 8. And also, these cell divisions can eventually lead to mutations. And then when you have just an accumulation of these cells, it can lead to breast cancer. Estrogen also has another quality, which means it is an anabolic hormone. An anabolic hormone is a hormone that can make things grow. So when estrogen meets up with cancerous cells or tumors, it can make them grow. You need to understand that the importance of regulating estrogen hormone is so crucial for you, especially if you already struggle with estrogen dominance, like if you have fibroids, endometriosis, PCOS. So reach out to us to balance estrogen naturally. Thank you so much for watching the video. I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button. That way you know every single time we post a new video. And also don't forget to follow WellnessKE on Instagram at well_NESKE. That way you get to learn everything related to your reproductive health.